So this paint is in really bad shape. Got scratches all over it. Got a few dents. It's just hard to get it on camera, but it's pretty rough. So I'm going to wet sand with 2500 grit. Been using the chemical guys stuff. Start with I don't know, whatever you call it, rubbing compound, go all the way up to polishing compound. Then glaze, wax, and seal. See how this panel turns out. Alright, this is after I've gone through these four here, 32, 34, 36, and 38 on these pads. Did the red, orange, blue, and green. Red, orange, blue, yeah, and green. And I think I can definitely tell a difference. And right before that I did 2000 grit sandpaper on a random orbital sander. Looks like the reflection is way better. Got a lot of scratches out. Unfortunately now you can see all the dents and the paint chips, but you can't have your cake and eat it too. So. Alright, I'm done from here up. There down I'm gonna get raptor lines, so I'm not worried about that. But I use the black or jet black blacklight glaze, and I was skeptical, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's some scratches that I feel like it kind of filled in to where you can't really see them unless you're real close. And then I did the butter wet wax and the jet seal. And as you can, well, you can see the difference between just that right there. That looks way better. I think I kind of brought the paint back to life. The other half of the truck is clean. So that took me 2 hours to do that quarter panel there. And in hindsight, I think I would have wet sanded with the 2000 grit a little bit longer. I think I could have gotten more scratches out. Looks a lot better.